Hello guys, welcome back, and today we're going to be learning how to construct one of the top 10 ways to make drivetrain gusset in Fusion 360 for Vex Robotics. So first you're going to click construct, because whenever you make a sketch you need to start it on a plane, and instead of selecting one of the origin planes, you're going to select this, and it's going to create a plane on here, right? You click create a sketch, you click on that plane. It'll like make it invisible. You really want to start off by adding the holes in. So you're going to click P on your keyboard to open project. And if you don't have like P on your keyboard, which you should, you can click S and then you type in project. And then now you select these points which come in the C channel if you download the library from Vex CAD or whatnot. And I'll select these points and these points because I'd like to mount my gusset on these. Once you're done with that, you're going to want to create these circles. Screw size is usually 0.17. And once you're done, you're going to need to create a shape around here. C channels are usually 0.5 inches wide. If your CAD is in millimeters, you want to go to S, go to active units, and you can change it to inches here. And what you want to do Fusion should automatically like snap a lot of sketches, such as this line where I can just snap it to 1.5 inches. And if you want to change between like editing the distance, which I'm like which is automatically selected in the angle, you click tab and see I can change the angle to like lock into 120 degrees if I want. I want to add a spacer here. I'll create a sketch. If you create a sketch on a face, it'll automatically project that face. And what you want to do is, if I want to add a spacer here without it sticking out, I'll go to circle. I'll go to 2 tangent circle, and I'll just go like that, and I'll set the radius to 0.17. No, I'll set the radius to whatever the spacer is, which is 0.375. And then divide by 2, right? And that'll be like projecting the spacer onto the sketch itself, right? And then I'll set an inner circle at 0.17. And what you want to do is click E to extrude, and there you have it. That's the finished sketch.